Well, I just came back from DSSS now. I went to visit Marcel Nnamdi Kanu. And the condition I saw him is not something to write home about. He's not well. I will continue to say it. The cardiologist, who is the person that has been treating Nnamdi Kanu, have told the DSSS that he cannot be coming to DSSS every time, every week, to be treating Nnamdi Kanu. That it is against their own ethics. He's a U.S. American trained cardiologist, consultant, and he said that he needs to have Nnamdi Kanu in his clinic at least to monitor him for 2 weeks. But the DSSS said no, that except it's through court order. I can't see the reason why the judiciary should be allowed themselves to be used by the executive. We have seen the best international practices that once somebody is sick, even in a prison, and if you discover that the person needed to have the best medical practitioner, a consultant or a specialist, they will release the person. But the one of Nnamdi Kanu, the case is quite different. Is it because he's an Igbo? Is it because he's Nnamdi Kanu? It's only living that we face trial. Look at the letter written to the DSSS. Get this letter. Get this letter. This letter is being written by Heartland Cardiovascular Consultants Limited. The Onye G. Achilu, the medical director, and is a fellow, American College of Cardiology, wrote this letter to DSSS. And in the letter, he said, based on the symptoms communicated to me, I strongly recommend that he be brought to my clinic so that a proper medical focus examination, including necessary tests, will be carried out to address his complaints. This is a letter written to them. And based on this letter, the man said that the consultant said that he will not be going to DSSS to see Nnamdi Kanu. Dear Nigerians, is that the way of treating somebody? The judiciary is no longer being the judiciary we're supposed to know. Because once somebody, you refuse to release him, you refuse to reinstate his bail, Supreme Court said that he never jumped bail, you refuse to send him to prison, where we have professionals, you detain him in the DSSS custody. And they don't have adequate medical facility to address his case. We'll continue to talk. I just left the DSSS now where I went to visit him. We'll continue to talk. Whether they like it or not, we'll continue to speak the truth. Nnamdi Kanu's health need adequate attention. Share this video. Make it go viral so that they will hear. They will know that, yes, we are doing our best. That is the much I can say. That is the update. I just left him a few minutes ago and walked into my sitting room here. That's why I decided to let Nigerians know what is happening. As we speak now, Nnamdi Kanu is not receiving any medical attention. Thank you and God bless you.
And let me tell you, spirit exists, cause exists. You understand what I mean? Cause exists and spirit exists. If anything happened to Nnamdi Kanu, I bet you Igbos are going to look like bastards all over the world. Because what the Fulanis are planning to Islamize Nigeria.
How do you know?
Chase Igbos. They want to chase Igbos in that land. I'm telling you. And all these things that is happening is not because of the hatred they have for Igbos. No. Igbos sold themselves for people to hate them. How? They dislike themselves. They lack unity. I'm not going to hide my mind to say it. We here standing today are crying for Biafra because we want to be free. Whosoever that is calling himself Igbos, that is bringing bad luck to his own brother not to be free, he should go to hell. Those good Igbos who want Biafra are the one going to enjoy Biafra, and which I am part of the people that is going to heaven. Which heaven? Biafra, the son of the rising sun. But if Nnamdi Kanu died today, it's going to be a very big shame to all Igbos.
All right. Let me ask you another question.
Sir?
Let me ask you another question.
Okay. Okay, sir.
The question I'm asking is, on this 24th day of September, if he is not released, would there be revolt? Would there be tension? Would there be uprising?
My brother, there have been tension since 3 years he was kidnapped in Kenya. But the tension that is going to happen right now, my brother, whether Nnamdi Kanu is alive or is living, the extent of the way the Igbos, the way Igbo Biafrans who want the freedom, they are approaching. They are not going to fight that war alone in Biafra land. That war is going to circulate. It's going to circulate a very heavy circulation, brother. Let me tell you, I'm telling you, the war going on in Israel is too small. My brother, the extent Simon Ekpa is going is dangerous, my bro. The extent this guy is going is very, very dangerous. Because Nigeria shouldn't think this is 1967, brother. A lot of people is going to die. And the DOS people who sold Nnamdi Kanu to the caliphate are going to suffer to generation, my brother. Because the way these Igbo Biafrans are moving this now, it's not like before. Brother, I have seen the way these people are prepared. Most of the weapons these people have, you can't see it. They are like spirits. You can't see this.
Where do you see it?
These people are coming.
Where do you see
I'm
it?
telling you, they should release Nnamdi Kanu. They should release this man so that Nigeria won't be set in fire. Because people are going to die. It's going to be more than 10 million, 20 million. Because this war is not just a simple war. Because go to this guy called Simon. The way this guy speaks, my brother, people are going to die. I'm telling you, both innocent children, both soldiers are going, people are going to enjoy. Nigeria war is not going to look like 1967. It will be more hell.
And do you think it's a good thing for people to die?
My brother, it's not a good thing. That's what I'm telling you. It's not a good thing. There is war going on right now, and it's going to be more heavy. This one they are doing is just guerrilla war, but the real war is going to be rockets. Because
are you confident? Are you confident that if Nnamdi Kanu is released, that everything will just stop?
I'm telling you, if they release Nnamdi Kanu right now, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, the way I'm dreaming this thing is very, very strong, my bro. I am a dreamer. I know what's going to happen, my bro. This war is not just Igbo land alone. It's going to be Afonari will be fighting Hausa, Yoruba will be fighting Igbo, and the short is going to be circulate. I told you, it's going to be confusion war. And it's not good. It's going to be a confusion war, my brother. It's going to be a confusion war. I'm telling you. They should release Nnamdi Kanu so there will be peace, my bro. Please, they should release this man so there will be peace in Nigeria. I am not saying they should divide Nigeria, no. But the way this is going, if they don't release this man, my bro, forget about what Nigeria is gone, and it's going to be hell. You know, they should release this man very, very fast. Because the extent this very young man, poor man Simon, is going, it's not easy something, no. Because this guy, I know him very well. He's a soldier in Finland.
That is why I'm asking you this question. If Nnamdi Kanu is released, I know why I'm asking you this question again for the second time.
There will be peace. There will be peace.
There will be peace, right?
Kanu is a peaceful man. Nnamdi Kanu, wait, see, let me tell you. If Nnamdi Kanu speak now, let there be peace. There will be peace. But Nnamdi Kanu is not going to stop the agitation of Biafra. That is the worst thing. But it's going to cool the insecurity. It's going to cool the insecurity, yes. But he is not going to stop Biafra. to come. He wants that Biafra.
All right. Thank you so much.
He's not going to change. That man is not going to change his word. Nnamdi Kanu wants Biafra.
All right.
100% sure. But they should release him and let all this nonsense stop. That's all we want. I don't want to say if they release him, Biafra will not go. No, they should release him and let Biafra go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them live. Let them go. It's enough.
All right. Thank you.
1914 and 2014 to 15 have expired. They should leave these people go. Let them go. They shouldn't risk the life of Nigerian soldiers and Nigerian terrorist soldiers. Let me speak. Shouldn't risk the life of human being. They should stop that nonsense and let them get the fuck from that Biafra land and let them go on their way. Let them go. But the problem, all
right, we have exhausted your time.
Brother, the good Biafrans who are hearing me know that I say the truth, that we want Biafra. But the bad Biafrans who organize to deal with this, our supreme leader, they are not going to see peace, my brother. Brother, let me tell you the truth. They should divide our nation. Simple. Let everybody go this far away. Because if they don't do nothing now, Nigeria was going to last maybe 20 to 30 years. Because it's not good. That Nigeria will start all over the world. And that time immigrants will be more than like before. Because if you check the number of Nigerian citizens, about 230 something million people.
It's all right, bro. Let's have another contact, okay?
So we pray to Almighty Okocha, they should they should release this man, let him go. So that's I have to say. They should release him. Let him go. Let him just go. And you know that Nnamdi Kanu is sick. You know.